beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. As you all already know, I hope you're doing good and you all are heartily welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be detoxing, guys. We're going to be making some detox water. Detox water or infusion water is very important when it comes to health. It helps flush out toxins and helps also in your metabolism. Also, it helps your body release fat cells, which is losing weight, and also helps in your digestive system. Detox water is crucial for your liver and your kidneys. They need it, guys. And for your overall health, about 80% of the body is composed of water. So the body needs a constant supply of water to stay healthy. So we're going to be making 3 types of detox water today, to lose weight, to cleanse, and so on. The quantity of water you're using or need is directly proportional to the quantity of the fruits or vegetables you're going to be infusing in the water. The only thing you need to do, guys, in this detox procedure is that you wash everything, chop, and put in the water bottles. Let this stay overnight or for a couple of hours and then you drink. It's that simple. So we're going to be using 2 4-liter bottles like this and a 1.5 liter jar like this. So we have everything washed down, guys. So for the first bottle of detox water, we're going to be using 2 healthy lemons, half a cucumber, approximately a 1/3 cup of ginger, and 3 to 4 healthy stems of mint. So we're going to chop everything in bits and put it in the bottle. Let me show you guys a side view of it. This is a side view of it. Keep this aside and let's move on to the next. So for the next detox water, guys, we're going to need approximately 1.5 cup of strawberries, half a cucumber again, 3 limes, and some basil leaves. So wash everything down, chop, and put in another bottle. So everything has already been washed. The next thing is to chop and put it in your bottle. So I'll put my basil leaves, followed by my cucumber. Next thing is to chop your lime. Transfer everything into your bottle. Just want to show you guys a cross section of the second detox water. This is it, guys. In a 1.5 liter jar like this, I'm going to be infusing approximately a cup of chopped watermelon, half a mango, and 1 lime. So I'm going to clean all of this and then we chop. Chop everything and put it in your jar. Your lime. And then your mango. So this is a cross section of the 3rd detox water. So guys, presenting to you a cross section of all the detox waters. So you do this towards the evening keep it overnight and then you start drinking in the morning, or you do this and keep it for a couple of hours during the day, say approximately 4 hours to 8 hours. So we ensure that everything is taken up by the water before we start drinking. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time with me in the kitchen. I really appreciate your likes, comments, and views. So do well to check out my playlist, guys. It has a lot of things loaded up for you there. And please have a good day. Love and light your way. Bye bye.